Changing the email link to your Kraken account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled email or email preferences. This is where you can manage your current email address. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering the new email, you may need to verify the change by clicking a confirmation link sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your Kraken account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kraken support for assistance.